You're a big, big baby. You're biggest baby. How do you do the whistle, Ricco? Do you want to tell everybody where you are? Ricco, do you want to tell everybody where you are? Hey. Hey, Ricco, are you watching the cars? What do the cars do? Vroom, vroom. That's right. I know. Say it's nice and sunny. We're getting some sun in the front porch. Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like it, Ricco? Oh my goodness, you're such a good baby. Do you want to play peekaboo? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at the crows. Do you see them? Do you see the crows? Do you hear them? You see them? And the cars?